You retrieve the HTML of an email and want to use Mindbaz to send it? Hello everyone and welcome to this new tutorial. I'm Juliette, Marketing Manager at Mindbaz, and today I'll walk you through importing HTML into your campaigns. Mindbaz allows you to directly upload your HTML content or even a zip file. If we look at how this works in Mindbaz, it's very straightforward. So you enter the campaign editing mode, then go to the content section. There you'll see two options: use the HTML editor or import an HTML or a zip file. That's the option we're focusing on today. If I click on import an HTML or zip file, a panel opens letting me select or drag and drop the file I want to upload. If I import an HTML file that already includes hosted images, Mindbaz will detect them and offer to rehost those images on Mindbaz. This step is important in order to follow email deliverability best practices, so we highly recommend keeping this option enabled. If I import an HTML file where the images aren't hosted, Mindbaz will notify me to upload the images. Finally, if I import a zip file that contains both the HTML and images, Mindbaz detects the images, hosts them, replaces the URLs in the HTML, and import the HTML. You are then redirected to the HTML code editor, where you can preview your campaign and make changes if needed. Feel free to reach out to our support team with any questions. We'll be happy to help.